Hey guys, when battling cancer, every bit of strength counts. It's a fight that takes place both inside and outside the body. While medical treatments target cancer cells, what you eat plays a crucial supporting role. It's like providing your body with the best ammunition to fight back and rebuild. We know that a healthy diet is important for everyone. But for those facing cancer, it becomes even more vital. The right foods can help you maintain your strength and energy. They can support your immune system and aid in recovery. Choosing foods rich in essential nutrients is key. This means packing your plate with fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. And yes, it also means considering foods like eggs, which often get a bad rap but can actually be quite beneficial. In the following sections, we'll take a close look at the humble egg. We'll explore its nutritional value and how it can potentially support those on their cancer journey. Eggs are nutritional powerhouses. They are packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and high-quality protein. Think of them as nature's multivitamin, offering a concentrated dose of goodness in an easy-to-eat package. One large egg provides around 6 grams of protein. This is important because protein is essential for cell growth and repair. It helps your body build and maintain muscle mass, which is especially crucial during and after cancer treatment. Eggs are also an excellent source of B vitamins. These vitamins play a vital role in energy production. They help convert food into fuel, keeping your energy levels up when you need it most. And let's not forget about choline. Eggs are one of the best sources of this essential nutrient. Choline is crucial for brain health, memory, and even healthy cell activity. Now, let's talk about how these nutrients in eggs can specifically benefit cancer patients. As mentioned earlier, protein is crucial for cell growth and repair. This is particularly important during cancer treatment, which can often damage healthy cells along with cancerous ones. The high-quality protein in eggs provides the building blocks your body needs to repair and rebuild these cells. This can aid in faster recovery from surgery, chemotherapy, or radiation therapy. B vitamins also play a vital role in supporting your body during cancer treatment. They help combat fatigue, a common side effect of many treatments. By boosting energy production, B vitamins can help you feel more like yourself and maintain your strength. Additionally, the choline in eggs supports healthy cell activity. This is essential for overall well-being and may even play a role in reducing the risk of certain cancers. Section 4. Are there risks? Navigating potential concerns with eggs during cancer treatment. While eggs offer a range of health benefits, some cancer patients may have concerns about consuming them. One common concern is cholesterol. Eggs do contain cholesterol, and some people worry that this could negatively impact their heart health. However, research has shown that dietary cholesterol has a minimal impact on blood cholesterol levels for most people. Furthermore, the nutrients in eggs, such as choline, may actually have a protective effect on heart health. Another concern is the potential for allergies. While egg allergies are more common in children, some adults may also be allergic. If you have any known food allergies, it's essential to consult with your doctor or a registered dietitian before adding eggs to your diet. Section 5. What the experts say. Research and opinions on eggs in a cancer patient's diet. So, what do the experts say about eggs and cancer? Many healthcare professionals and cancer organizations, including the American Cancer Society, recognize eggs as a nutritious food choice for cancer patients. They emphasize the importance of a balanced diet that includes a variety of nutrient-rich foods, and eggs can certainly be a part of that. However, it's essential to remember that dietary needs can vary greatly from person to person. Some cancer patients may experience dietary restrictions or sensitivities due to their treatment or specific type of cancer. It's always best to consult with your healthcare team or a registered dietitian to determine the best dietary approach for your individual needs. Section 6. Finding the right balance. Moderation and individualized approaches. When it comes to eggs and cancer, as with most things in nutrition, moderation and an individualized approach are key. There is no one-size-fits-all answer, and what works best for one person may not be suitable for another. If you enjoy eggs and tolerate them well, there's no reason to avoid them. Incorporate them into your diet as part of a balanced and varied eating plan. You can enjoy them boiled, poached, scrambled, or in omelets. Get creative and experiment with different healthy recipes. Remember to listen to your body and pay attention to how you feel after eating eggs. If you experience any digestive discomfort or other adverse reactions, it's best to reduce your intake or avoid them altogether. Section 7. The bottom line: eggs and cancer and nutritious alley when approached wisely. In conclusion, eggs can be a valuable addition to a cancer patient's diet. They are packed with protein, B vitamins, choline, and other essential nutrients that can support your body during and after treatment. While concerns about cholesterol and allergies exist, research suggests that eggs can be part of a healthy diet for most people. As always, it's crucial to consult with your healthcare team or a registered dietitian to determine the best dietary approach for your individual needs. Remember, food is medicine, and making informed choices about what you eat can empower you on your cancer journey. By focusing on a balanced diet filled with nutrient-rich foods, including eggs, you can provide your body with the tools it needs to fight back, recover, and thrive. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe for more videos.